All right, so you want to create story highlights, and that's these things that you see here, these little icons, which are very good for like highlighting your services or main things. Think of like a menu on a website. These are what these things are very good for. So you can have your topics here. Now, what you want to do is go to your plus sign, and you could see story highlight. It's right here. This is where you want to pick it from. Now, keep in mind, what it's then now going to show you is all your stories that you've had, which is really, really cool. Doesn't let you don't have to create this content all over again. And so let's say you picked this right here that says accounting, right? And maybe you want to turn accounting into a service, like for instance, accounting digital marketing that we offer. So you click that and then you do next, and then it's in your highlights now. All you have to do is then type in what that subheading or what you want it to be, like as a menu, like I said, and then add. And you have your highlights there. Now, what's also really cool is now you can actually turn your highlights into a reel, which is really cool. But we're not doing that right now, but you can absolutely do that. And so not now. Now look right here. As you can see, what we just highlighted is right there. You see that? Accounting. And as you can see, it goes in an order. So probably from the last one that you did, it goes in that order. And now you can always add a new one here if you don't want to go from here. You can scroll to the right and then add a new one there, and it automatically just, once again, picks it out for you. Now, keep in mind, you only have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 that are really visible. So you want to think about what you are actually highlighting. Now, a main thing too that we've seen is when you've got your highlights and maybe you're highlighting a conference that's coming up and now the conference is gone and you want to delete it, that could be a little frustrating too if you don't know exactly how to do that. So go to your highlights here. And what you want to do then at that point is make sure you are looking at the highlight you want to delete. The highlight you want to delete is what you want to look at now. And you want to go here, these 3 dots at the bottom. It's quite fast, so pick those 3 dots, and it says remove from highlight. Here you can remove it from the highlight. Here you can edit the highlight if you want to. And again, you can share it, you can copy the link, that's all you could do. But talking about removing the highlight from that section, remove it, and you still be able to see the video in your archive. So you're just removing it from your highlights. Don't freak out. Don't freak out, they are still there. So remove. And now what you will see is it's gone. It is gone. So that is how you can create highlights with your stories that you've had over the course of time. And that's how you can also remove them. And just keep in mind that you only have this visibility here. Again, go here and look for your story highlights to start doing that, or simply just click the plus sign at the end here and it'll show you your stories, and bingo, you can then take off. Hope this was helpful, and subscribe to our channel if this was helpful to you. Take care.